Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device and activating the SIM so the network can recognize you. First, check the phone is unlocked and supports T-Mobile bands. This matters for 4G/5G performance. Next, make sure you have your T-Mobile SIM and account details handy. That speeds activation. Finally, power the phone down, insert the SIM tray carefully, and power up. This forces initial registration with the network and moves you to the next configuration steps. Once the SIM is active, configure your network settings so data flows. Open Mobile Network Settings and enter the APN exactly as T-Mobile specifies. The APN controls internet routing. Then enable mobile data and choose LTE/5G preferred to allow high speeds while falling back to 4G when needed. Make sure to accept any carrier settings updates. They often include important profile changes. After saving, give the phone a minute to register on the proper network and receive an now confirm your connection and resolve common failures so you're online. First, look for the mobile data icon and open a web page or run a speed test to validate throughput. If you don't get data, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, and recheck the APN and that the SIM is seated correctly. These quick steps fix most issues. If the problem persists, note your IMEI and account details. Then contact T-Mobile support so they can diagnose provisioning or network-side problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.